Okay, heading down to Murphy Road. Actually, I'm going to let this car go by. We're gonna get back on the road. My wife and I thought this was a very similar road when we're looking for houses as the one on Gartman Road. As you'll see, is, you know, there's a lot of space in between, you know, each of the houses. It's not as crammed. You don't have that suburban feel. We were told by the appraiser that this wasn't rural. I mean, look at all this land here. This is a lot of empty land. I mean, if this isn't rural, I don't know what is. Here's some vacant land over here. Again, I think it's very similar to the Gartman Road area where we live. Everyone has their own little private land and a lot of trees, and I mean, a lot of space between. I mean, it's just amazing, all the unused land. I don't see how this can't be identified as rural. I find that very hard to believe. And again, we're going to see a cape, so okay, we're going to be here again. Here's some more land, some land over here. And I believe we're almost at the cape that just recently sold. And here it is on the left. It's coming up. Very nice cape. It is in very nice shape. I'm going to pass there. I'm going to turn around. And we'll get back to that. Again, this road is very similar to ours. It's got some nice houses. Lots of different styles. There's a side view of the cape. Don't want to pull in their driveway, but I'll go by slow. I think there's cars there. But there we're approaching the side of this yellow cape. There's their lot. They have a very similar lot as to what we have. A little bit bigger in square footage, just a little bit, but very same lot size and very rural area. That is the same style house, almost the same lot. I think they have 1.43 acres. We have 1.4. But we were just told that we couldn't use that in the comparison because this isn't rural here, and the square footage was larger than ours. However, the square footage that she used was only 1,000 square feet ranch in a more suburban setting than what we're looking at here. So mine was only 200, a little over 200 square feet off, but it's a cape in the same lot. So a lot closer in square footage than what she used. And again, it's the same style house, and it is in a rural setting. I really can't repeat myself any bit more. Well, that's it. Thanks for joining us.